Welcome to this quick and simple guide on how to turn off voice message transcripts on WhatsApp. If you've noticed that WhatsApp now automatically transcribes your voice messages into text and you'd rather keep your audio conversations private, this video is for you. Let's walk through exactly how to disable this feature in just a few easy steps. First, open your WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure it's updated to the latest version because this feature is part of a recent update. Once you have the app open, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three small dots. That's your menu button. Tap on those dots to open the drop-down menu and then select Settings. Now that you're inside Settings, tap on Chats. This section controls how your messages appear, including themes, font size, and of course, the voice message transcript option. Scroll down slowly until you see the option labeled Voice Message Transcripts. By default, the setting might be turned on, meaning WhatsApp automatically converts your voice notes into readable text. To stop that, tap on the setting and choose Never. This disables automatic transcription completely. Once you do this, your future voice messages will remain audio only without any text appearing underneath. And that's it, you're done. Turning off voice message transcripts helps maintain your privacy and keeps your chats clean and uncluttered. Whether you prefer listening to actual voice messages or just want full control over what's stored in your conversations, this setting is worth adjusting. If this guide helped you, take a moment to go through your WhatsApp settings and try it yourself. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a big difference in how you experience your chats. Keep your conversations the way you like them: simple, clear, and private.